What? I'm single.
Every minute you fuck for me. You don't have no time for me. You treat me like when I figure read them when I'm gonna work when nobody come over here con TV. You're too sure. You're too sure of me and you're sure of me you pay me less attention. True or false students? That's not how Bun Summer come about. So this summer, the females decided that if you are not treating me fairly, you are going to get bun. Nobody jump up and say them just want fuck. There is a reason behind it. Because I know, if I get up right now and I said, Baby Snow, come to the front of the class and ask Baby Snow why she's taking part in Bun Summer, she would have a great answer to give me. If I call Jojo right now and say, Jojo, why are you participating into Bun Summer? Jojo would tell me what is missing. True or false, guys? Nobody over here never just jump up and say them just gonna give bun like that. We never did that. But if you are slacking in the areas that you shouldn't be slacking in, if you rather go chase $20 pussy, when my $80 pussy is home, you are going to get bun. If you're going to sleep out, you are going to get bun. If you're going to constantly fuck other girl and make them a call my phone, you are going to get bun. So if you are behaving yourself as a gentleman, you don't have to worry about bun. So right this now, son, where is he? You are worried about Bun Summer because you have been fucking up. Any man out here who is worried about Bun Summer are because they know so them did a fuck up. True or false, guys? True or false? Why do you think I took you back after you breed that girl? After you make your whole blood clad community there for my name and come about me, I'm going to take you back. And you still go back and fuck that girl there? No, you deserve bun. Why a girl going to tell me say you spend money on her until you know some work out of Popeyes? You know what? Give me the money. Until she that woman now work, you rather give she the money? And you not give me none control me or you're going to get bun. And most of all, out of everything else, I approve this message 1,000,000,000,000,000,000 times. If you are not fucking me right, if you are not making my pussy come, and we have been together for many years, and I've talked to you, and I've talked to you, and I've talked to you over and over and over again, and I'm still not coming, and you're fucking out the road, you're going to get bun, and buns and buns and buns, razor bun, plain bun, white bun, black bun, every bun. You, in that not fucking me good situation, is going to get bun. It's my legal rights because you don't please my pussy to give you bun. Why should you be out there fucking everybody about the place and my pussy they want dry, thirsty and sad? And then I come on her hard shoot and she always a wind up herself. She always a tell me how to fuck. She make me feel honey just listening to her. I would have to deliver 5 minutes in my whole and you have to talk about you coming. You have a lot of women out here who don't know what an orgasm is. And you have time out there to breed different blood clot, girl. And you have fake page or text me done. And you have a neighbor walking at you a blood clot aisle and pour down my light and my yard gate for your hood. Your hood when I make my blood clot come. Make it make sense? No, no, no. I am going to please my pussy this summer. remember, you say you love me, I'ma love you too. Just like you say you love me and you not hurt me, or some you go give you but I love you and not hurt you back. Something has to happen. Every time something happens, you say, babes, I love you, I'm not hurt you. But for some reason, you always hurt me. So no two can play the game. I am going to love you and hurt you back. You fucking and I fucking. One fuck plus one fuck equal two fuck. We don't have to know any big number. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And because we are Yemen, we always say 1 plus 1 is still 1. We're not doing that this summer. My vagina comes first. My happiness comes first. I don't know why you're booming, but you're booming. For all these years, you would been coming first. First in a girl. First from pitney. First in a everything. My pussy needs to come first for once. I want to know. I want to feel that. So if you are doing all the right things as a gentleman, you're not supposed to be worried about bun. It's a happier summer this summer. This is 2023. We have survived COVID. We have been surviving poverty and hungry days. The least that can happen to me this summer is being fucked out and coming. The least amount of joy could take my body this summer is me getting fucked all over the place and coming. That's all I ask for. That's the least you can do for me. Pay my pussy some attention. That's the least you can do. Me don't can cook. Me don't can clean. Me don't live in your house. Me don't know say make this and that. Something whatever. Yeah, me know you're good man. Me know all of that. So the least that can happen to me